Your e-commerce data might be telling a completely different story than you think. This isn't just another Power BI dashboard, it's a complete view of 1,826 real orders from 700 customers. We're breaking down revenue by category, tracking the monthly trend, and comparing performance across cities. And here's where it gets interesting. Bengaluru leads on revenue, but Chennai and Jaipur stand out for higher cancellation rates. Even VIP customers aren't the only revenue drivers. VIP and regular customers contribute almost equally. That's the power of turning raw data into decisions. Want more real-world dashboards, data insights, and analytics breakdowns? What if your e-commerce data is hiding the real story? This is a Power BI dashboard built to turn thousands of orders into decisions, not just numbers on a screen. With 700 customers and over 1,800 orders, we can see exactly what's driving the business, from total revenue and average order value to category performance and monthly trends. But the real insights come when we go deeper, comparing cities, cancellation rates, and even VIP versus regular customers. Because a good dashboard doesn't just show you what happened, it tells you where to look next. That's the power of data storytelling. 4.93 crore rupees in revenue. But what's actually driving it? This Power BI dashboard turns 1,826 orders and 700 customers into one clear business story. At a glance, we're looking at total revenue, total orders, average order value, and customer count. But the real value starts when we go deeper. Revenue is spread across multiple categories, the year stays relatively steady, and then November and December deliver a sharp spike. Bengaluru leads on revenue, while Chennai and Jaipur raise a red flag with higher cancellation rates. And here's the twist. VIP and regular customers contribute almost equally to revenue. That's not just a dashboard, that's data telling you where to look next. Which category is actually making the most money? The answer might surprise you. This Power BI visual breaks down the business's 4.93 crore rupees revenue across 5 major categories. And look at the spread. Home and kitchen leads with 1.12 crore rupees, followed closely by electronics at 1.07 crore rupees. Beauty and personal care and sports and fitness both contribute around 95 lakh rupees, while fashion comes in at 84 lakh rupees. So here's the key insight. No single category dominates the business. Revenue is distributed surprisingly evenly, which means there's no one category carrying the entire business. That's the kind of insight a good dashboard makes impossible to miss. 10 months of flat revenue, and then this happens. Look at this trend. From January to October, revenue barely moves. Small ups, small downs, almost predictable. But then November hits, and revenue suddenly shoots up. And December? It climbs even higher. Now, this is where data analytics gets interesting. Instead of just saying revenue increased, we ask the real question, what changed? Was it more customers, a seasonal campaign, higher order values, or a specific product driving the spike? That's the power of a Power BI trend dashboard, because a good dashboard doesn't just show numbers, it reveals the story behind them. Think your highest revenue city is your best performing city? Think again. Bengaluru tops the chart with nearly 59 lakh rupees in net revenue. Ahmedabad follows at around 55 lakh rupees, with Chennai, Kolkata, and Jaipur right behind. But here's the catch. Revenue isn't the whole story. Look at the cancellation rates. A city can generate huge revenue while also losing a significant number of orders. So instead of asking, which city sells the most? Ask the better question, which city gives us strong revenue with fewer cancellations? That's where data becomes powerful. With Power BI, you can compare revenue and cancellation rates side by side and quickly identify where the real business opportunity is. Don't just track numbers, find the story behind them. What if your highest revenue city is actually your biggest problem? Bengaluru leads with nearly 59 lakh rupees in net revenue, followed by Ahmedabad, Chennai, Kolkata, and Jaipur. But revenue tells only half the story. Look at the cancellation rates. Chennai is around 10%, while Jaipur jumps to a massive 18.5%. That means a city can rank high in revenue, but still struggle with reliability. And this is exactly why you can't make business decisions from a single metric. With Power BI, we compare revenue and cancellations side by side, uncover the hidden gaps, and identify where the real opportunity lies. Because the best performing city isn't always the one making the most money. Think VIP customers are the reason your business makes more money? The data says otherwise. Look at this breakdown. VIP customers contribute around 83.4 crore rupees, while regular customers contribute nearly 82.4 crore rupees. That means the revenue split is almost evenly balanced. And that's the surprising part. Your regular customers are carrying almost as much revenue as your VIP segment. So if your strategy focuses only on VIP customers, you could be ignoring a massive opportunity. The real insight is simple. VIP customers matter, but regular customers matter just as much. Use Power BI to uncover these patterns, compare customer segments, and make smarter decisions from the data. What can a single Power BI dashboard reveal about an entire business? More than you think. This dashboard tracks nearly 493 crore rupees in revenue across 2,000 orders and 700 customers. Revenue is spread across all 5 product categories, but the biggest story is the trend. There's a sharp spike in November and December, driving the year's revenue curve. Bengaluru leads in revenue, while Jaipur and Chennai stand out for higher cancellation rates. And here's another surprising insight. VIP and regular customers contribute almost exactly 50-50 to total revenue. So the real power isn't just seeing your numbers, it's connecting the patterns, finding the gaps, and turning them into business decisions. That's what a good dashboard should do. Want to build this exact Power BI dashboard yourself? You can. The complete .pbix file and build guide are available for you to explore and learn from. You can open the project, study how the dashboard is structured, understand the visuals, and follow the build process step by step. No more guessing how a professional Power BI dashboard comes together. Whether you're learning Power BI, building your portfolio, or improving your data analytics skills, this project gives you a practical starting point. The goal isn't just to download a dashboard, it's to understand how it's built and learn from it. And if you want the full project, the resources are ready for you. Get the full project, follow DataPeaks, and build smarter dashboards.